If managing your money feels overwhelming, you're not alone. Many people feel lost with their finances, worried about making mistakes or falling behind. But financial success isn't about secret formulas, it's about building simple, consistent habits. Today, I'll break down the actionable steps to take control of your money and build a strong financial foundation. By the end, you'll have a clear, stress-free roadmap to master your money. So, grab a coffee, get ready to take notes, and let's get started. The first step is to know exactly where your money goes. Most people are surprised when they see the real numbers. That daily coffee, forgotten subscriptions, and takeout add up fast. For the next 30 days, track every single dollar you spend, no exceptions. This isn't about guilt, it's about gathering data. Use an app like Mint or YNAB, a spreadsheet, or just your phone's notes app. The method doesn't matter. Consistency does. At the end of each day, record your expenses. After a month, you'll have a clear picture of your spending habits. You'll spot patterns, unnecessary expenses, and areas to improve. Maybe you're spending $200 a month on lunches. Now you can decide if that's worth it. This awareness is the foundation for every other financial decision. Tracking moves you from guessing to knowing. You're no longer in the dark. You have the facts. Commit to this for 1 month. Track everything, no matter how small. This is the foundation upon which your entire financial house will be built. Don't skip it. Once you see the numbers, you'll never want to go back to guessing. This single habit can change your financial life. Ready? Let's move to the next step. Now, let's put your data to work. Now that you know where your money goes, it's time to give every dollar a job. A budget isn't a punishment, it's a plan for your money. The simplest way to start is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to needs: rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. 30% goes to wants: dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and non-essential shopping. 20% is for savings and debt repayment, emergency fund, extra debt payments, and investing. Use your tracked expenses to fill in these categories. If your needs are over 50%, that's a sign to cut back or find ways to increase income. The 30% for wants is guilt-free. Enjoy it, but don't overspend. The 20% for savings and debt is your future. Pay yourself first. Adjust the percentages if you have special goals, like paying off debt faster. The key is to plan before the month starts. Sit down, do the math, and allocate your money intentionally. This proactive approach puts you in control. Your budget is flexible. Adjust as your life changes. The important thing is to be intentional with every dollar. A simple budget is your roadmap to financial freedom. Stick to it, and you'll see results. Let's move on to building your safety net. Next up, your emergency fund. With a budget in place, your next priority is an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses will happen. An emergency fund is your financial shock absorber. Start with a starter fund, $1,000 or 1 month's essential expenses, whichever is greater. Focus on this goal before extra debt payments or investing. Once you hit your starter fund, aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Calculate your monthly needs, then multiply by 3 and 6 for your target range. If your job is stable, 3 months may be enough. If not, aim for 6. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account, separate from your checking. It should be accessible, but not too easy to spend. This fund turns emergencies into inconveniences, not crises. It's your first real taste of financial security. Don't skip this step. It's your safety net. Once your emergency fund is set, you're ready to tackle debt. Let's move on.
If you're enjoying this video and you like financial content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Let's continue.
With your emergency fund in place, it's time to attack high-interest debt. Credit cards and payday loans drain your wealth with high interest rates. Paying off a 20% interest card is like earning a guaranteed 20% return. 2 main strategies: debt snowball, smallest balance first for motivation, or debt avalanche, highest interest first for maximum savings. Pick the method you'll stick with. Both work. Make minimum payments on all debts, but throw every extra dollar at your target debt. As you pay off each debt, roll those payments into the next one. Call your creditors and ask for lower rates. It can't hurt. Cut back on wants to free up more money for debt. The faster you pay off high-interest debt, the sooner you can build wealth. This is your main focus after your emergency fund. Don't get stuck in analysis. Just start. Debt freedom is within reach. Next, let's make your money work for you. With debt gone and your emergency fund set, it's time to invest. Investing is how you build real wealth and outpace inflation. The secret is compound interest, your money earning money over time. The earlier you start, the more your money grows. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now, even if it's small. For most people, low-cost index funds or ETFs are the best starting point. These funds give you instant diversification and track the overall market. Open an account with a reputable brokerage and set up automatic investments. Use dollar-cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount every month no matter what the market is doing. This removes emotion and builds wealth steadily. Don't try to time the market or pick hot stocks. Consistency is key. Invest every month, year after year. Automate your investments so you don't have to think about it. Over time, this strategy can build a substantial portfolio. Investing is your ticket to financial independence. Now, let's make your whole system run on autopilot. Life gets busy, and willpower fades, so automate your finances. Set up direct deposit into your main checking account. Schedule automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts right after payday. Automate bill payments for rent, utilities, and other recurring expenses. This ensures you never miss a payment or forget to save. What's left in your checking account is your guilt-free spending money for the month. Automation removes temptation and guarantees consistency. It's a set-it-and-forget-it system that builds wealth in the background. Take a few hours to set it up once. It pays off for years. You'll reduce stress and always make progress toward your goals. Automation is your financial superpower. With your system running smoothly, you can focus on living your life. Next, let's talk about the most important habit of all. Keep learning. The final step is ongoing education. Never stop learning about money. The financial world changes and your life will too. Dedicate a little time each week to read, listen to podcasts, or watch videos on personal finance. Stick to trustworthy sources and avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Classic books like The Simple Path to Wealth and The Psychology of Money are great places to start. As you learn, you'll gain confidence and make smarter decisions. Your plan will evolve as your knowledge grows. The most successful people are lifelong learners. Stay curious and keep asking questions. This habit will protect and grow your wealth for decades. Your financial journey is a marathon. Keep learning every step of the way. Now let's wrap up. That's your 7-step roadmap to financial freedom. Managing money isn't complicated, it's about simple, powerful habits. Track your spending, build a budget, create an emergency fund, eliminate debt, invest, automate, and keep learning. Each step builds on the last, creating a strong foundation. Consistency and discipline make the difference. The best time to start is now. You have the plan and the power to change your life. Thanks for watching. Your financial future starts today.